So I've got a Volkswagen EGR valve here, the one that goes at the back of the cylinder head. On this vehicle here, it's there. So I've just put a new one on this one, and just out of interest I've stripped the old one, and if you look here you can see this gallery here is clear, but that one there really badly blocked with carbon. So I'm going to have a go at cleaning it. I've got some off-car DPF cleaner. I'm going to put it in this tub, and then I'm going to soak that and see if it softens up the carbon. And we'll find out tomorrow. Stay tuned. So, this is the EGR cooler after we soaked it last night in DPF cleaner. Certainly looks to have done something. So let's just see how we got on. All these galleries were blocked. Putting a rod down through. It's definitely loosened up. The carbon was like cement that was in there. It's definitely loosened that up. So I think what I'm going to do is persevere with this, break this carbon up, and then I'll probably soak it again. And bit by bit, I think I'm probably going to be able to clean this out, because that's definitely a lot softer and able to be there's 3 or 4 that are still a bit hard and solid, but yeah, I'll give it another go. So a couple of them were really solid, and what I did was used a 5mm drill and very gently just drilled the top part of the carbon away that was really solid. And then after that I gave it another dunk in the DPF cleaner, and now we can get down through every part of the gallery, and I'm just using this flexible rod here just to scrape off all the loose stuff. And I think once I've got there and I've cleaned up the holes as well as I can, I think I'll give it one more soak in the DPF cleaner just to loosen up the last bits, and I think we'll be good. So I think we might have managed to salvage this one. So the DPF cleaner I was using, just in case you're interested, was Win's off-car DPF cleaner, and remarkably done a pretty good job. I guess the more time you spend doing this, the better results you get, but it's definitely doable.